Thinking of starting a brand new YouTube channel but you don't know what to call it? VEED has you covered. Hey everyone, I'm Becca and I'll be giving you 7 useful tips to help you come up with an engaging channel name. Let's go. To start with, I'm going to give you the example of our YouTube channel name. VEED is our company and we make videos about content creation and how to edit using VEED, the online editing software. When we first started this channel, we were making editing tutorials because we wanted to teach people how to use our online editor. However, recently we have broadened our content and we're now making videos about content creation tips like this one, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Tip number 1, don't be too niche. Now, sometimes being niche can be a good thing. However, if you're not too sure what you want to create, try and have a broader name. This means it won't limit you to one specific type of content. For example, if the channel name has the word gaming in it, people will expect to see gaming related content on your channel. But if later down the line you want to change up your content, people might not watch your videos because they're only expecting to watch gaming content. So try and pick a neutral name. Tip 2, alliterations. Picking a channel name with an alliteration in its title is a great way to be memorable and engaging. I have a personal channel called Rebecca Reacts. Now, this is an alliteration and it tells you exactly what the videos will be about. Reactions. I've also been able to use my full name plus the word reactions to make it an alliteration. This is how it becomes memorable and engaging. Speaking of using your own name, let's move on to tip number 3, which is using your own name. You really need to work out what your content is before you name your channel, because if you are doing something really niche, then you might not want to use your name. If you want to build up a personal brand, however, this will be a really good way to start. As another example, I have another personal channel called Becca W, which is my nickname. On this channel, I make vlogs and lifestyle related content. It also doesn't limit me to making one type of content. Because it is my name, I can pick and choose whatever content I want to create. Tip number 4, keep the channel name short. By keeping the channel name short, for example, VEED Studio, Becca W, or Rebecca Reacts, it becomes more memorable for your audience. This also means it is more likely that they will talk to their friends and family about your channel name because it is easy to remember. So try not to use a random set of numbers in your channel name because although it may be memorable to you, it might not be memorable to other people. Tip number 5, get inspired by channels that you love. Look at the channel names of people that you love to watch. Is there something about their channel name that is memorable and exciting and engaging? Does their channel name relate to the content that they create? Have a think about that and then maybe that will help you come up with one as well. Tip number 6, use a random word generator website. If you get really stuck for a channel name idea, try using a random word generator website or a thesaurus. These types of websites can be very helpful, and if you use a thesaurus, then you can also find a better word for a word that you may have already chosen, or you can find another word to make an alliteration. And tip number 7, don't spend too long picking a channel name. Remember, you can actually change your YouTube channel name later down the line. My personal channel originally used to be called Becca Blogs. I know, another alliteration. However, it later became Becca W. But the important thing is just to begin your YouTube channel. And if you want some tips on how to become confident in front of the camera, I'll leave a link to a video I made in the description and it will pop up at the end as well. And those are my 7 useful tips to help you create a great channel name. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content creation tips like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.